This 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home sits at the end of B Branch Creek with access to the Caloosahatchee River. The canal will allow for shallow draft vessels or pontoon boat. This concrete block home has a metal roof that was replaced in 2016. The home sits at the end of a cul-de-sac in the popular Caloosa Estates community north of the river. The home offers a split floor plan with living/dining area and kitchen providing views of the large backyard. The large screen porch off the dining area is big enough for entertaining. The home does require some upgrading and repairs. This home has unlimited potential for the end user, rehab person or investor.